Alright guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how we use a VWAP and a super trend, and you no need to analyze like what going to be happen tomorrow. So when price are doing some activity, so in that case we find out the direction and we exactly enter in this market. So let me show you. So first I'm using VWAP. So this is the VWAP. So means when price stay above this VWAP means trend is up. All right. So once price stay below this VWAP means trend is down. So it's a basic logic we are using. Means if price stay below this VWAP, so we are looking for short. All right. So here I can see. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Now I can see. Here I can see price open somewhere here in this area and price goes up, but in this area we have seen some resistance, so that is why we are not interested to take any buy position. So it's almost all-time high, near all-time high. So in that case price was above this VWAP, so we was not interested to take any position. So later here you can see price again drop to this level, but price not able to break this lower low. So if you see by using price action method, they are forming like that, higher high and the higher low and the higher high. So from here to this level, this is called buyer territory. All right, so that is why we are not interested to take any sell position. So later price goes up and create a new high and price again drop. Okay. So in that case, you can see one thing. So first here you can see that was our swing point. Okay, that was our swing point and that was our swing point. So here we have seen some confirmation. So confirmation number one, price just stay, you can say like price break this VWAP. So this is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation, price, I can see this is called trend line, and the price break this trend line. All right, so after that, what is my rule? Once price goes up sharp move, so after that if price holding, so means we are looking for a buy. After getting an opportunity, it is a probability to go up. All right, same method if price sharp down and holding, so this area called bridge. All right, this area called bridge. So here buyer and seller are fighting, so it's a probability to continue toward the downside. All right. So in that case, you can see price broke, sharp move down, and after that price was holding, and finally break this level. That was our entry point. So why we enter? Price not able to break this resistance line, and price break this VWAP, even price break this resistance line and a perfect entry point. If you know, let me show you in a small time frame, like a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so in that case, now you can see, let me make a circle in this area, what activity was doing in this area. Okay, so let's zoom to 1 minute chart. Just a minute. Okay, let's zoom to 1 minute chart. All right. Okay, let me scroll somewhere here. So now you can see in a 1 minute chart, price are holding, and finally break this level. All right, price break this level. Okay, so after that pullback, that was our entry point. Okay, so another here you can see another example where we enter. Let me show you in a 5 minute chart first. Okay, perfect. All right, now you can see here. So after sharp move down, price was holding, and that was also our entry point. Then price drop here. So now you can see price are staying below this VWAP, and price are forming lower low and the lower high. So here you can see after booking our profit, price given a pullback. So this is called a breakout of structure. What is the meaning of breakout the structure? Let's say price are going up, goes down, or you can say like pullback and break this higher, and this area you can see price break this level. So this area called breakout the structure. So basically we are looking for buy, just waiting for a pullback near this breakout this structures. The probability to goes up. All right. So similar case in the downside goes down, pullback goes down. So this is called breakout the structure. So we just waiting for a pullback, and that is our sell opportunity. So again we sell it. Okay. Now in this case here you can see. So this is lower low, holding, lower low, and a pullback. So you can say holding, and this is breakout the structure. Price broke this area and a pullback here, and that was our entry point. All right. So basically, we are using price action method. We are combining with VWAP. All right. So that is the first rule, and the second rule we are using Super 10. So Super 10 basically we are using as a trend reversal. Let's say here price are running in a downside. So let me show you another 15-minute chart. Let me zoom a little bit. So 15-minute chart here you can see that is our as a support. Price was rejecting from this area. I can see price rejection, okay. So most important rejects on that line. So now let's see in a 5-minute chart. Okay, I can see this is a 5-minute chart. Okay, let me use Super 10. So Super 10 I'm using, this is the period 1 month. All right. So basically Super 10 period it comes like 10 or 10 3, but I modify that one 1 1 only. All right. So we need like a more you can say like we need earlier entry point. So where I am applying this Super 10 near supporting line. So now you can see that was supporting line. Have you seen? That was like a previous support. Price goes down and we book the profit. After that, we got a confirmation here, like Super 10 are forming and form a bull candle. So after that, we place buy order above this candle. So now you can see price goes up. Again, here you can see this is the resistance line. Have you seen? This is the resistance line where Super 10 are giving a sell signal. So exactly giving a sell signal somewhere there. So once they trigger and all the way price drop from this area. All right. So that was our trading strategy, and we scalping by using these two indicators only. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.